Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So another day and another browser update. And this time, Microsoft Edge, as always, lost in the queue, has finally received the Chromium security fixes that have been rolling out to the Chrome-based web browsers over the course of this last week. Now, I received this update late in my region on the 1st of February, which was late yesterday in my region. And first of all, to double check, as always, we have the update because we are dealing with important security fixes. We head to our main menu, help and feedback about Microsoft Edge. Latest version and build for the browser 121.0.2277.98. So we've been bumped up from 0.83 to 0.98 with this recent update. Now, first of all, as always, Microsoft has rolled out a couple of bug and performance fixes. So once again, they say they've fixed various bugs and performance issues, and once again, don't give us any indication as to what those bugs or performance issues were and what has been fixed. But nonetheless, if you have experienced any glitches, stability problems, bugs, just little issues in general in the browser since upgrading to version 121, then just double check your browser's up to date, as this update may address those issues. Now, the important bit here is the Chromium security updates, but Edge itself has received a security update. So there's one Edge-specific update that's rolled out, and it's remote code execution, which means a hacker or an attacker can gain access to your system over an internet or over a network, as two simple examples. So that's the Edge-specific vulnerability that's been addressed. And focusing on the Chromium open source fixes that have rolled out, there are 4 in total, all high risk and all are use after free. And use after free is another common exploit. And use after free, as an example, is when you close your browser, that memory that is freed up can be used by an attacker to gain access to your system, once again, remotely over the internet or over a network. So two sort of remote kind of vulnerabilities being addressed with the Edge specific and the 4 vulnerabilities that have rolled out for the Chromium open source project. So quite a bit going on security wise here, and also some bug and performance issues have been fixed. And I have had a quick look around the browser after applying this update. At this stage, I'm not noticing any new tweaks or adjustments, but if that does change and I do notice something, I obviously will post and let you guys know. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.